we're getting you breaking news on the mock drills that are set to take place. As per the information available with Times Now, these mock drills will take place in 244 districts. The sources are also telling us that the tentative states that are going to be covered are that of, we are going to put that up out on a map. In that, let's show the map here, full frame for our viewers. It is the state of Punjab, it is the state of Himachal, it is the state of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir. Once again, for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, take a look at the map that we've put out here for our viewers. This is the list of tentative states that will be covered in the mock drills. As per information with us, these mock drills will be conducted in 244 districts. So Bharat is gearing up at 11 o'clock. A crucial MHA meeting will take place. These mock drills will take place. Once again, take a look. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. We're also getting you latest visuals and pictures of the rehearsals that have already started in multiple cities. My colleague Pradeep has got us this report from Delhi's Connaught Place.
Keeping in view complex and emerging threats amid escalation of tension between India and Pakistan, here right now at Palika Bazaar, you can see the security has been beefed up. They are conducting mock drill. They are trying to ensure that in case of any trouble or in case of any problem, they are able to evacuate people and shift them to safer places. Let me show you. Behind me, there is a Palika Bazaar underground market, and on the other side, there is a metro station, so that in case, if required, they are able to evacuate people. So they are conducting a mock drill in this regard. Already we have seen the tension between the two countries has escalated. For the last 12 days, there is a ceasefire violation going on border. And in a short while, there will be a meeting that will be chaired by Union Home Secretary. And that meeting, through video conferences, is going to connect with all the chief secretary, deputy collectors, and also divisional commissioners of different states and union territories. And during that meeting, they are going to discuss about the mock drill, the biggest ever after 1971 war that's going to take place. And during that mock drill, they are going to ensure that how to activate the air raid siren warning system. And not only that, India has also ensured that there is no trade with Pakistan. They're also tried to ensure that airspace is also closed for Pakistani aircrafts, and even they are not allowed to move their containers and ships towards Indian marine bases. So that's where those measures that have taken has already made Pakistan bleed through their pocket, but this time they are going to make them come down on knees, and for that you have to be well prepared. You are trying to generate awareness among people. Let me speak to them also. जिस तरीके से ये मॉक ड्रिल वगैरह की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको, जो सरकार पूरी तैयारी कर रही है इन चीज़ों को लेके?
सर मतलब जंग की पूरी तैयारी हो चुकी है, और जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे पुलिस फैली हुई है, तो हमें यही लग रहा है कि सरकार की पूरी अच्छी से तैयारी हो रखी है.
तो यानी कि आपको लगता है कि सरकार को इस बार,
हाँ बिल्कुल, आर पार होना ही चाहिए इस बार,
आर पार कर देना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पूरी तरीके से.
आप एक सेकंड आपसे बातचीत करने की कोशिश करते हैं. मॉक ड्रिल कर रही है जो कल से सरकार करेगी मॉक ड्रिल, तो कैसे देखते हैं ये सरकार का कदम जो है?
बढ़िया देखते हैं, अच्छा देखते हैं.
आपको लगता है कि इस बार पाकिस्तान को सबक सिखाना चाहिए?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
We're also standing by for that big meeting that's going to take place in the MHA. We'll get you all those details, but before